Let's make easy origami swan together. All you will need is a square piece of paper. I'm using 15 by 15 centimeters, and if you don't have it, you can check this video up here on how to make a perfect square. Now let's start with the folding. We will fold our paper in half on a diagonal. Like this. Now that we have it, we will open it and we will fold this top right line of the paper and align it with the middle line of the paper. And once you have it, just press it down. And now do the same thing with the top left line and align it to the middle. Now we'll close our paper on this middle line, so just bring the sides of the paper together and press the paper down. And next step, we'll fold this upper layer of the paper and align this upper line with this bottom line of the paper. And press it down. And turn your paper over and do the same thing on the other side. So align this line with this bottom line. And press it down. Like this. Now that we have it, we'll take about a half of the paper, so it's about here. And we'll fold this part of our paper swan, which will represent the neck and the head, and fold it in this upwards direction. So take it and fold it in a direction that you want. I will take this one and I'll press really hard on this part of the paper, because later we will reverse fold it. So press it really hard so that we have a line. And now we'll open this part of the paper, and you can see we've made lines that we will fold our paper inwards. So fold it in on the lines and press it in the direction. And now all we need to do is make the head of our swan, and again choose length of the head and fold it in this direction. Like this. Again, press it down really firmly, because we will reverse fold it. So now open it from this side. You see the lines. Press the paper inwards and pinch paper together. And this is how you make your first simple origami swan. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in next one and subscribe for more. Bye!